this is your boy Miguel from Mobile Mechanics 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Okay, so I had wonderful customers. This was the third person in their family that worked on the vehicle. It was absolutely no problem. This was a Toyota Camry that needed the passenger side CV axle, the hub and brakes and all that great stuff. So when I talk to a customer, I send them pictures, literally send them pictures of what exactly they need to order. 100% of everybody sends me a picture back to make sure they order the right part before I showed up. One of the parts that I said is very important was a CV axle support bearing, a carrier bearing. And the reason why I always do that is because sometimes they don't come apart and you're sitting there beating on it for hours when you could just take the whole entire thing out, replace the bearing, the support bearing anyway. It's all new, put everything new in there. Well, it didn't have that part in there. I put it on the receipt when I did the diagnosis, and I also sent pictures, physical pictures. And they had to order the part, but the point of my story was the customer was mad at me saying that they don't like this part because I should have verified what they ordered. Well, if you order it and I'm not there and you don't send me pictures, how is that my responsibility? It doesn't exist. You just ordered the wrong part. You know, but for whatever reason, you just did something as a human. But when you start fussing at me and talking down to me and make it look like it's my fault, I don't want to work on your car. It just literally is. I don't have to, and I don't want to work on your car because I've done nothing. I've been extremely respectful, and I've done everything I'm supposed to do, and I don't want to be talked down to nobody. I don't care if you're paying $1 million to me. I have respect and dignity for myself. So in the future, when a mechanic is asking you to order a part, what he's actually doing, if he does that, most of them won't, he's trying to help you. And if he orders the part, he's going to mark the part up on you. I always ask the customers to order for themselves. This is what you need to order. I write it on the receipt, and I send you pictures via text. So, you know, that's all for me. That's not on me. But when I get there in the wrong part, you all upset me and trying to chew me out and trying to turn it on me. I don't want to work for you. I just don't want to have anything to do with the situation anymore. It's very uncomfortable. It's just not the environment that I like to work in and be around. It's just not going to be positive. And even though people are going to say, well, some people are going to say it's my fault, that's you. This video is not for you to agree with me. It's just for you to understand that once I give you information and it's wrong, correct it and move forward, but don't turn around on me and then expect my services and then for me to be in an environment that you're fussing and chewing me out and putting me down and doing everything else and having an attitude. There's a lot of places to get your car fixed. So with that being said, even the carrier bearing or the weight bearing for the CV axle, it had to be ordered. So it just wasn't meant for me to work on this car, and I'm cool with that. Just understand that I'm here to help you, but the moment you turn on me, you're on your own. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.